All right, division with the double-digit divisor. Since you've all started and had a chance to at least begin on this problem, because you were doing it as soon as you came in and sat down in your journal. Anytime we have a division problem, especially as we move into double-digit divisors, I want you to take and write down the first multiples of the divisor from 1 to 9. I mean, if they're less than 12, you have them on a multiplication chart. Actually, in your journal, you have a multiplication chart up to 20. So if they're 20 or less, you've already got a multiplication chart. You can write them down real easily. And there's a reason behind that, because once I do all of this work, I don't really have to do much but subtract here. That's all I have to do here once I've listed all my multiples, because I've done all the multiplication already. So now I look at my division problem. My dividend is 3,567. My divisor is 11. I go in one digit at a time. I'm going to write one number at the top at a time. I only add one number to my quotient at a time. So I should never see you putting 27 up here at the same time. One number goes in at a time. Does 11 go into 3?
No.
I should not have a number above the 3. You can put a 0, you can put an X, but there should not be a number above the 3. It's important where you put them. It is important where you put them. Now I know it goes into 35 because 35 is greater than 11. So now all I have to do is go over here, and my multiples, I need to get as close to 35 as I can without going over. I have 11, 22, 33, 44. 44 is too big. So 33 is what I want. So I know 11 times 3 is 33. So the first number in my quotient is going to be a 3. I'm going to have 3 numbers in my quotient. My quotient has to have 3 numbers. I have to have a number above the 5, the 6, and the 7. Once I put a number in my quotient, everything after it has to have a number. It may be 0. But there has to be a number above it. So now I go 3 times 11 is 33. I have to find the difference between 35 and 33, which is 2. Bring down to 6. Now I have to see how many times my divisor goes into 26. How many times my divisor goes down into 26? So I go back over here again. 11, 22, 33. 33 is too big. So I got 11 times 2, which equals 22. So the one number goes in at a time. That means the 2 goes above it. Okay. They're back on that desk over there. Just any of them. Okay, so we have 26. Now I need to take 11 into 26. I already said it goes in 2 times. 2 times 11 is 22. Then I subtract again, find the difference between 26 and 22, which is 4. I bring down the 7. I go back, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. 55 is too big, so I need to use 11 times 4, which is 44. So 11 times 4, which is 44. Subtract, and I get 3. Now that's if I did all my math correctly. I want to make sure I did all my math correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and do the inverse operation of division, which is multiplication. And I'm going to take 324, which is my quotient. I'm going to multiply it by 11, which is my divisor. And then whatever I get, I have to add my remainder to it. And if I did it right, if I do everything correctly, my product should be 3,567. And y'all can multiply by 1, so just saying. 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 3. Oh, it's not the same. Oh my gosh, what did I do wrong? Add the remainder. So that tells me I've done my problem correctly. Most of y'all in here are like, I hate division, I can't do division, I hate division, I can't do division. You can do division. If you struggle with it, do it this way. Because honestly, division on a calculator is not going to work. Unless you're trying to get an answer with a decimal. I'll tell you. I'll prove to you with this problem. 3, 5, 6, 7, 3, 5, 6, 7. No, that's 4. Clear. 3, 5, 6, 7 divided by 11 equals, my answer on here says 324.2727272727272727. It doesn't work if you're looking for a remainder. Now, if your quotient is going to have decimals in it, it'll work, but not if you have a remainder. It will not work. So you cannot just say, hey, it's division, and this is what I see 100 times. I'll see 324 remainder 27. Well, that doesn't even make any sense because I can't have a remainder bigger than my divisor. Yes, ma'am.
Why don't you just round that up?
Yeah, it doesn't work. Rounding it doesn't work.
She also needs volume.
All right, peace out.